Participant goals and budgets. This section will focus on the setting up goals and budgets for your participants. I just want to give a very brief overview of how Omar works. Omar is participant-focused, so most activities start from the participant. This section is covering some of the financial aspects of your participants. Participants have plans. Plans are linked to budget items to goals. As you and your team undertake activities, these are recorded as progress notes against goals, which in turn will become invoices. This approach ensures alignment between billing and outcomes for your participants. So let's jump in. So let's get started on setting up your participants' goals and budgets. From the dashboard, select or search for your participant. We are working with Jill, so we will just select her from the list below. Once in the participants' dashboard, go to Invoicing and Billing and then Budget Items. This is where we add the budgets for the participant. Select the Add button on the right of the screen to display the budget input form. Enter the title, description, budget and hours. The item we are using has a price of $65.47 per hour and 100 hours, giving a total budget of $6,547. The maximum episodes are not valid for this entry, so we will just skip over those fields. Now we need to add the relevant NDIS line items associated with the budget. Select Add Line Item from the top right. Select the support category from the drop-down list. Then select the registration group from the drop-down list. This will filter the hundreds of NDIS codes to just the few relevant ones. You can now select the correct NDIS code that is related to the activity. If the participant is plan or self-managed, untick the NDIS Managed box. That completes the budget, and as you can see, it's quite a quick and simple process. You can now move on to setting up the goals for the participant. Back on the main participant management dashboard, select Goals and Progress Notes. Goals have several different statuses: draft, completed and in progress. Select Add Goal on the top right of your screen to set up a new goal. Here you can give the goal a title, often just the same title as the budget item. Add a description. Typically, this description would come from their NDIS plan as the goal identified. Using the goal from the plan helps you demonstrate outcomes in alignment with the goal and outcomes via the supports and activities you are providing. This is something an auditor would hope to find. Select the budget item and line item as set up in the budget to associate this goal with the budget item created earlier. You can now save the goal. We have now set up a budget and goals for the participant, all of which is associated to the participant's NDIS plan. When you first add a goal, they are entered as a draft and will automatically update to in progress once progress notes are put against the goal. The main dashboard will show a summary of all budgets and expenditure from activities against the budget, showing a simple view of how individual participants are tracking against their budget. Congratulations, your participant is all set up and ready for your day-to-day activities.